Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. Today we are going to discuss the 10 benefits of using aloe vera on your face. Aloe vera is perhaps one of the most widely used herbal remedies for topical skin conditions. This is because the gel-like components of the plant are known to heal the skin from a variety of minor ailments. In fact, you might have even used aloe vera in the past for sunburn, minor cuts, or small abrasions. Despite its healing powers, you may be wondering if it's safe for using on your face. Generally speaking, the answer is yes. When used correctly, aloe vera can help with a variety of ailments that might affect your skin. Below are 10 of these benefits. Before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Benefits. If you're dealing with a chronic skin condition, it's a good idea to check with your dermatologist before applying any products to your face. Talk to your doctor about the following potential benefits of aloe vera. 1. Burns. For minor burns, apply aloe vera gel to the affected area up to 3 times daily. You may also need to protect the area with gauze. 2. Sunburn. While aloe vera helps soothe sunburn, trusted source shows that it's not an effective way to prevent sunburn, so make sure you wear sun protection every day. 3. Small abrasions. If you've scuffed up your chin or forehead, you can apply aloe vera to the area for quick relief from pain and burning sensations. Use 3 times per day. 4. Cuts. If you're used to grabbing neosporin for a minor cut, consider trying aloe vera instead. Its molecular structure helps heal wounds quickly and minimizes scarring by boosting collagen and fighting bacteria. Apply up to 3 times per day. 5. Dry skin. Aloe vera gel absorbs easily, making it ideal for oily skin. However, it can help treat dry skin, too. Consider swapping out your regular moisturizer for aloe after bathing to help seal moisture into your skin. 6. Frostbite. Frostbite is a serious condition that requires emergency medical treatment. While aloe vera gel has been used historically as a frostbite remedy, ask your doctor first before trying it. 7. Cold sores. Unlike canker sores, cold sores develop on the outside of your mouth. Aloe vera may help treat the herpes virus, which is also the underlying cause of cold sores. Apply a small amount of the gel to your cold sore twice daily until it goes away. 8. Eczema. The moisturizing effects of aloe can help alleviate dry, itchy skin associated with eczema. Aloe vera gel may also help alleviate seborrheic dermatitis. While this oily form of eczema is most often found in the scalp, it can also affect parts of your face and behind the ears, too. 9. Psoriasis. As with eczema, aloe vera may help alleviate inflammation and itchiness from psoriasis. For best results, apply aloe vera gel twice daily to the affected area of skin. 10. Inflammatory acne. Due to the anti-inflammatory effects of aloe vera, the gel may help treat inflammatory forms of acne, such as pustules and nodules. Apply the gel with a cotton swab directly to the pimple 3 times daily. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.